Sierra Leone is among the most vulnerable countries to the effects of climate change. Majority of this is because of the low adaptive capacity and high poverty rate. It will surprise you to know that over 70% of young people are unemployed. They lack the skills, the knowledge about how to convert waste into treasure. Waste management is a huge environmental challenge. Waste is still in our gutters, they are still in our waterways. Sierra Leone generates over 130,000 tons of waste annually. This is a huge environmental problem. At the Freetown Innovation Lab, we are tackling both the waste management challenge and youth unemployment by providing an immersive green skills training opportunity for young people. Our trainings are not just regular trainings. We provide participants with an immersive experience to learn the skills of recycling, allowing them to become self-reliant and operate in the green industry. So far, we've trained over 300 young people with practical skills how to collect, sort, and recycle waste into different products that are used in households, communities, and other places. These people have been able to go back to their different communities with the practical skills to turn waste into treasure, providing economic opportunities and job creation. Together, we've been able to take away over 60 tons of waste from the environment.
Hi everyone, my name is Antoinette Princess Merega Wellington. I'm from Greybush and I'm here now at Freetown Innovation Lab. Actually, we are here based on the skillful things, the skillful practice to turn tire into chairs, to turn tire into tables, so on and so forth. And also, it creates an impact so that you be more mindful of how you do things, you learn how to be creative, so on and so forth, so that you can earn your own income, thanks to the Freetown Innovation Lab.
We want to go bigger. We want to recycle over 500 tons of waste. We want to train over 1,000 young people. We're looking for partners, we're looking for donors, and organizations that align with our values. Let's build a greener future that is prosperous and that is sustainable with our Freetown Innovation Lab Green Skills Training.